At Precision Garage Door Service, we take pride in offering our customers the very best the industry has to offer. When it comes to parts, we've done the research to understand what our customers need for long-lasting, reliable repairs. We know if you don't work on garage doors every day, it can be hard to tell the difference between standard replacement parts and premium components. That's why we created the comparison sheet to show you what truly sets Precision apart.
Extension springs. Now, if you're wondering what extension springs are, they are on the sides of your track. They're different to a front torsion spring. And what they do is they hang off a hook on either side of the track and they extend down to open and close and balance your door. The extension springs we use are a double loop, stronger extension spring, much more durable, lasts longer against rust and deterioration. Where those contractor grade springs, when they stretch out, they get exhausted faster and they struggle to hold the weight of the door. Now the cables, these are really, really important because they attach to the bottom of your door and they roll up these drums and they lift the door open, okay? And so these are vital to your door operation. At Precision, we use a higher grade cable. There's actually an aircraft grade cable and it's got 19 wires per strand. Other companies use your standard cable, which is a 7 wire per strand, and they're louder and they don't last as long and they break a lot quicker. Cable drums. Now these are your drums that are at the top left and right of your garage door, and this is where the cable runs up onto, okay? And these are so important. We use reinforced heavy duty drums so that this can prevent any of your cables from becoming slacked or your door falling. Now your rollers, they are the ones that roll your door up and down all the time. They're getting worked out all the time. You know, I've often taken out the old rollers off the door and they're shaking like a maraca. Our rollers, they are ultra premium rollers that have 13 ball bearings inside and they're dust cap sealed. Hinges, these are what connect each of your panels together. When you have a sectional garage door, what it does is it opens and pivots on these hinges. And a lot of the time what happens is a lot of companies put on these cheap, really, really brittle hinges and they crack over time. At Precision, we use a more reinforced and stronger hinge to stop any cracking and so that we can see your door last as long as possible. End bearing brackets. Now these are the top left and top right, and they hold your tube system and your spring system, everything, okay, and they turn everything. These are important because when your door is going up and down, your spring system is moving through those end bearing brackets. And ours attached to 4 different points on your track, but also on the wood that is attached into your house.